A lot of you have been hearing about the Goodwall app where you make money or whatever. So all you need to do is just go to your email address, go to your Google Play Store or your iOS App Store. Go there, download Goodwall. Just tap on Goodwall, you're going to see it. It's going to come out. So what you're going to be doing here is like just leveling up, like doing stuffs for you to like actually win. Once you win on these particular stuffs, it's just like a challenge. Once you win on the challenge, you get paid. For instance, now come to this place that they wrote last chance. You see win $25. So if you tap on this win $25, it's going to bring you to what is actually here and what you'll be doing for you to like earn money from this good work. So what you are going to do is come here. I think this is legit. I think it's legit because I've come across it. These are people who have already participated on this challenge. Okay, these are people that have already, this one now the time is up, so it's not left for them to choose the winner. Okay, so let's also check this particular one. So what this one is remaining 3 days left. So if you participate on it, just go to where it says take part, and you see where they're giving you instruction. Record a short video about 30 to 60 seconds explaining how internet access at school can empower guests to learn. Post your video here with the hashtag guests connected. Okay, so they have also given you judging criteria. So what you need to do is just do this particular stuff, and once you submit it, they're going to be paying you $50 for the top 20 submissions. $50 for the top 20 submissions. So if you're lucky to earn, or if you're lucky to win in this particular app, you'll be paid $50. So that is how the app is. Okay, so all you need to do is just put your face there and start recording yourself. There are a lot of them here, so I guess this particular app is legit. I just opened it to like check it out and know what exactly is happening in the app. Like I keep hearing about this particular app. Okay, so if you're interested in the app, it's Goodwall app. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. You can also invite people to earn. Like I can see here, get $2, like 2 USDC for every friend who joins. So you can also invite your friends and let them complete all this work, how it works and all that. Let them complete the challenge and all that, and you are going to be getting your $2 for your referral. So this is all about Goodwall. You'll be hearing about Goodwall, how they make money from Goodwall and what they make money from and how it works. So you can also create a channel. You can create a channel here, and your description, your skill. You can create a channel and invite people over to your channel. Okay, you can also create your videos and invite people over to watch and all that. It's just for you to make money. It's not, a lot of people have been saying that you just need to like post a video and make money. No, all you need to do is just do these simple challenges. Okay, do the challenges, and if you are choosing, if you are lucky, then that means you are going to be earning from this particular app. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. So I'll leave the link in the description box. You can go there and tap on it and download it, or you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download it if you don't want to use my referral. So that is all about this particular app. So this is the wallet part, and how does withdrawing work. So you need a balance of at least $35 in your good wallet, and and an active profile. So your profile needs to be active, and you need about $35 in order for you to like make money. So these are earning boosters: impact action, invite, then challenge. So it depends on the one you want to do. If you go to impact action, these are impact action: $1 for every bag of trash. Rewards: so clean up trash, post it, get paid. So you can also go out your side and all that, clean out it, clean trash, and actually post it here and get paid for it. So earn $5 to protect the plant. I don't know what. Okay, the plants. So you can also get paid for the plants, protecting plants and all that. $1 for your first valid post. So if you make a post here right now, and vegetarian post, so you have to eat vegetarian then post it. Okay, so this is actually simple for you to get $1. For you to get $1, just go and get your vegetables or whatever it is, and get paid. Okay, let me see. So this is it, just get paid $1. So a lot of people have already done it, so it's nothing much. Someone is even eating cucumber, orange, then get paid $1. So you can also do it. It's not much, it's just something that you can do actually and get paid. So this is it, and this is all about this particular app. Then this is all about this particular app. Just download the app and sign up, then go through the app. You can make money, you can be paid monthly, you can be paid weekly, depending on how you follow or depending on what you actually do here in order for you to start making money.